Hi everybody, this is Williams. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to Shenzhen International Gift Trade Show. Let's go.你好，你们公司主要是做这些工艺品吗？
对，做工艺品。
支持定制吗？
对，主要是做定制的，像书签、钥匙扣、冰箱贴，然后这些都可以做，公仔这些盲盒都可以做。
哦，你们公司在哪儿呢？
公司在东莞寮部。
寮部，现在目前公司有多少员工？
不到100个。
Alright, that's all for this video. Hope you did enjoy. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I will keep bringing you good products and factories in China. If you are interested in the products and factory in this video, please let me know. I will get you through to them. As always, for now, take care.